Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have essentials ready: account access, project space, and assets. First, open Make It Real and pick only way mode so constraints align. Next, import your images, copy, and templates. Link API keys where required. Once done, set the project name and a brief goal to keep scope tight. Make sure to select the right resolution and export format up front to avoid rework later. Now you configure the pipeline. Map each input to its node and assign transformations so data flows predictably. Then tune parameters like thresholds, pacing, and fidelity. Small changes can have big effects. Once configured, run incremental builds rather than a full run. Check intermediate outputs and logs to confirm behavior. If a step fails, roll back that node, tweak parameters, and rerun only the affected. Finish by exporting the final assets in the chosen formats and running quick quality checks so you catch issues before delivery. Then archive the working project version and note key settings so you can repeat the process reliably. If outputs deviate from expectations, isolate the affected node, reset it to defaults, reapply your tune parameters, and rerun that step. This targeted troubleshooting fixes most problems without rebuilding the whole project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.